रहे। स्वस्थ नारी सशक्त परिवार देश की एक सबसे बड़े अभियान के रूप में आज प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी
Alright, so several key initiatives spanning health, nutrition, tribal welfare and industry. The visit coinciding with the Prime Minister's 75th birthday. He will launch, like I said, the Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar and the 8th Rashtriya Poshan Mah campaigns at Dhar. This is to happen in a couple of minutes from now. These campaigns, let's tell you more about them, will organize more than 1 lakh health camps nationwide. And then at Bhesola village, the Prime Minister is also going to lay the foundation for the Prime Minister Mitra Park, India's largest greenfield textile hub. Now spread over 2,150 acres, the park will include a common effluent treatment plant, solar power plant, modern road network and other facilities. It is expected to benefit local cotton farmers by providing better returns while also attracting massive investments worth more than 23,000 crore rupees. The textile park will generate nearly 300,000 jobs and significantly boost India's exports, is what a government release has said.
प्रधानमंत्री के आगमन पर जो धुन आप सुन रहे हैं वो दरअसल
Let's just dip in and listen into what is happening on the ground there in Dhar. In moments from now, Prime Minister Modi will be on the stage, but a grand welcome for India's Prime Minister who turned 75 today.
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जब अपने रोड शो के दौरान जनता के बीच पहुंचे, हाथ हिलाकर जनता ने दोनों ओर से प्रधानमंत्री का गर्मजोशी के साथ स्वागत किया, दिल खोलकर प्रधानमंत्री का अभिवादन किया। और तस्वीरों में जिस तरह से आप देख रहे हैं कि हर कोई अपने मोबाइल में प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को इतने निकट पाकर कैद करना चाहता है। हर कोई चाहता है कि प्रधानमंत्री की ये तस्वीरें उनके मोबाइल में भी हो। अपनी यादों में संजोने के लिए हर कोई प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का स्वागत कर रहा है, उनकी तस्वीरें ली जा रही है। प्रधानमंत्री ने धार में भव्य रोड शो किया और इस रोड शो की तस्वीरें आपके साथ हम साझा कर रहे हैं। इस मौके पर मध्य प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के साथ मौजूद रहे। केंद्रीय मंत्री भी वाहन में सवार प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के साथ जनता का अभिवादन स्वीकार करते हुए। आज का दिन मध्य प्रदेश में बहुत बड़ा और बहुत महत्वपूर्ण दिन है। 8वें राष्ट्रीय पोषण मिशन की आज से शुरुआत की जा रही है, जो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी अब से थोड़ी ही देर में करेंगे। स्वस्थ नारी सशक्त परिवार, हम सभी जानते हैं कि एक महिला परिवार की धुरी होती है और महिला का स्वस्थ रहना कितना आवश्यक है, महिला का सशक्त रहना कितना जरूरी है। और यही बात को ध्यान में रखते हुए केंद्र सरकार लगातार
You can see people waving there at the Prime Minister while he makes his way to the podium. Like I said, he's flanked by other leaders of the party in Madhya Pradesh. There are many projects that will be unveiled while Prime Minister Modi is going to be in Madhya Pradesh today, coinciding with his birthday. Let's take you through some of those projects and what this really means for the people of the state. Prime Minister Modi is going to be launching several key initiatives spanning health, nutrition, tribal welfare and industry. And he will launch the Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar and the 8th Rashtriya Poshan Mah campaigns at Dhar. These campaigns will organize more than 1 lakh health camps nationwide. And then he also heads to Bhesola village. The Prime Minister will be laying the foundation for the PM Mitra Park, India's largest greenfield textile hub. What does this mean for the people of Madhya Pradesh and for the textile industry? It's going to be a huge boost. There you can see him interacting with some of the youth at Dhar. Let's just dip in and listen into that conversation if we can.
अलग-अलग स्टॉल्स लगाए गए हैं जहां प्रधानमंत्री पहुंचे हैं इस एग्जीबिशन में और मुआयना करते हुए प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी स्वास्थ्य केंद्रों में किस तरह से हर रोज कार्य किया जा रहा है उसकी जानकारी प्राप्त करते हुए प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी। हम जानते हैं कि आशा कार्यकर्ता हों या अस्पतालों का नर्सिंग स्टाफ लगातार किस तरह से सेवा कार्य में लगा होता है और उसी के मद्देनजर ये स्टॉल्स लगे हैं। देश भर में किस तरह से स्वास्थ्य सेवा के क्षेत्र में कार्य किया जा रहा है उसकी जानकारी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को दी जा रही है। तो आज मध्य प्रदेश के धार में जो कार्यक्रम होना है उससे जुड़ी हुई प्रदर्शनी भी यहां लगाई गई है और इस प्रदर्शनी को प्रधानमंत्री देख रहे हैं। आशा कार्यकर्ता हों, एएनएम दीदियां हों, किस तरह से वो गांव-गांव में जाकर लोगों के स्वास्थ्य की देखभाल करती हैं।
This is in fact the second birthday celebration for Prime Minister Modi in Madhya Pradesh, and he is set to lay foundation stones there. And of course, the other big headline that we have been talking about related to the Indian Prime Minister and his birthday is that call with Donald Trump. But I believe Aishwarya has now joined me on the phone line on this story. Aishwarya, coming to you now, big projects in the pipeline and a lot of inaugurations today. It's a busy day for the Prime Minister. Take us through some of them.
Well, that's right. On his 75th birthday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Madhya Pradesh and he's going to launch the Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar and 8th Rashtriya Poshan Maah campaigns at Dhar, which is just nearby Indore, one of the major cities in Madhya Pradesh. Of course, what we've been told is that he will also lay the foundation stone and launch several other initiatives and address the gatherings on the occasion as well. There's a public meeting that Prime Minister will also address. As far as the government's commitment is concerned to health and fitness, it is a mega program that Prime Minister will be launching. As far as Swasth Bharat mission is concerned, the launch of Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar and 8th Rashtriya Poshan Maah campaigns. There will be thousands of women that will be in attendance in Dhar, where Prime Minister will be addressing. And this campaign, we've been told that will be organized from 17th of September to 2nd of October at Ayushman Arogya Mandirs community health centers in different district hospitals and other health facilities across the country. So a major initiative as far as health programs are concerned in Madhya Pradesh. And Prime Minister has just landed in Dhar in Madhya Pradesh on his 75th birthday, where he'll be meeting different health professionals from different sectors, as well as also under the campaign nationwide blood donation drives will also be organized.
Aishwarya, stay with me. Vasudha also joining me on the phone line. Vasudha, it's coinciding with the Prime Minister's birthday, his visit to Madhya Pradesh, but one of the largest ever health outreach also for women and children being launched. Tell us more about that.
That's right, Vedika. In fact, the Prime Minister has always made it a point to reflect, his vision for women empowerment in his celebration of his own birthday. And women's health has been central to his women empowerment agenda, which is why he's always focused on nutrition, and that is something that will also be reflected today. Screening and testing of diabetes. What I understand is there'll also be screening camps for anemia and TB, and this is what will happen in statewide camps, nationwide camps that are being done by states across the country. And what I understand is also that the Prime Minister will be launching this very specific program called Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar, which means if the woman of the house is healthy, then she also ensures that everybody else is also healthy in the family. And this is happening at Bansola village in Dhar district. And this is the Prime Minister's way of celebrating his birthday, something very symptomatic of what he has done in the last many years, where he always is inaugurating developmental projects on the day of his birthday, in some ways showing that governance and welfare and inclusive development for him means means a lot for him, and that is the primary agenda for his governance.
Even a huge project being inaugurated, which will be a big boost for the textile industry. It's going to generate 300,000 jobs.
That's right, Vedika. The PM Mega Integrated Textile and Apparel Park is what we understand. This is a Mitra Park that's coming up in Dhar. It has already received investment proposals, is what I understand. That's what the Chief Minister was talking about yesterday. And he, in fact, claims that there is investment proposal worth 23,000 crore that has already been received by the Madhya Pradesh government. And there are around 114 textile companies that are involved in this. And this project could be leading to thousands of jobs, across 3 lakh jobs is what we understand once the park project gets completed. But remember that all of this takes some time, but the clearances have been expedited. So this clearly would mean a lot for the youth population in the state of Madhya Pradesh specifically.
While we stick to those visuals as well, Vasudha, an important conversation with Donald Trump as well, the US President last night. The first after doubling down by the Trump administration in terms of tariffs on India. Tell us more about that.
That's right, Vedika. In fact, just to add on to what is happening today, because, there's one particular program that has been introduced as an important feature of Prime Minister Modi's birthday celebrations across the country is the Swadeshi Mela. Every state is organizing a Swadeshi Mela. In fact, even the park that we spoke about is based on this agenda of farm to fiber to factory to fusion to foreign. So all of this in some ways also reflects the fact that India will not really surrender to any kind of pressure, and this comes facing this pressure by the US with regard to tariffs. And the Prime Minister also has received, like you rightly pointed out, a birthday call from President Trump, even as negotiations of this US
श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का हार्दिक स्वागत है, हार्दिक अभिनंदन है। आइए खड़े होकर करतल ध्वनियों के साथ, पूरे उत्साह के साथ माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का उनके जन्म दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर स्वागत करें, अभिनंदन करें भारत के हृदय प्रदेश मध्य प्रदेश में। मंच पर स्वागत है माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का। स्वागत करते हैं मंच पर माननीय राज्यपाल महोदय जी का, मुख्यमंत्री जी का। सभी से निवेदन है कि आप सभी अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें। देवियों सज्जनों, आज का ये दिवस इतिहास के स्वर्णिम पृष्ठों में अंकित होने वाला है। ये हमारे लिए अद्वितीय गौरव का क्षण है जब विश्व पटल पर भारत की पहचान को और ऊंचाइयां देने वाले जन जन के प्रिय, यशस्वी, दूरदर्शी और कर्मयोगी माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी मालवा की इस पावन धरा धार के ग्राम भैसोला में हमारे बीच पधारे हैं। देश के प्रथम ग्रीनफील्ड पीएम मित्र पार्क के साथ साथ नारी शक्ति के आत्मबल और स्वास्थ्य को सुदृढ़ करने हेतु कई सारी सौगातें उपहार स्वरूप लेकर आए हैं। आज का यह कार्यक्रम औपचारिक कार्यक्रम नहीं बल्कि एक नए युग की शंखनाद है, आर्थिक सशक्तिकरण का शंखनाद है। संपूर्ण मध्य प्रदेश वासी आज प्रफुल्लित हैं, गौरवान्वित हैं माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी की गरिमामय उपस्थिति से। और हमारे भारत की अनुपम परंपरा अतिथि देवो भव, अतिथि का आदर करना, सत्कार करना हमारी संस्कृति की आत्मा है। और इसी भाव के साथ माननीय राज्यपाल श्री मंगूभाई पटेल जी माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को जीआई टैग बाघ प्रिंट का अंग वस्त्र भेज करके उनका स्वागत करेंगे, अभिनंदन करेंगे। धार जिले का एक जिला एक उत्पाद बाघ प्रिंट का अंग वस्त्र भेज करके हार्दिक स्वागत है, हार्दिक अभिनंदन है माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का। और अब माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी वराह मूर्ति भेज करके माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का स्वागत करेंगे। यह मूर्ति 10वीं शताब्दी मंदसौर में पाई गई और पुरा संस्कृति की प्रतीक है।
Prime Minister being felicitated there, but let's just tell you more about the projects. The Prime Minister will launch the Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar Abhiyan today at Bhaisola village in Dhar district. Let's tell you more about some of these projects under the campaign. Camps will be organized for health and nutrition at some Ayushman Arogya Mandirs and community health centers. Voluntary blood donations will also be encouraged, is what the state government also has to say. Screening and testing of diabetes, high blood pressure, anemia and tuberculosis, very important, will be also done in the statewide health checkup camps. Prenatal checkups and nutrition counseling will also be given for the health of mothers and children. So the focus here clearly is on women and health, and this is being inaugurated as we speak. You have the Prime Minister there on stage. There will also be other important steps towards realizing the Prime Minister's resolve of a healthy society and strong nation, is what the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister had said.
और अब हमारे बीच ANM दीदी श्रीमती लीला बालोद ग्राम जिला धार से हैं, जो कि माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को एक खूबसूरत सी तस्वीर भेज करेंगी। स्वस्थ नारी सशक्त परिवार की अवधारणा को प्रस्तुत करती मां शिशु की मुस्कुराती हुई ये जीवंत तस्वीर है। सुश्री शीतल बघेल माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को अब आदिवासी परंपराओं को सहेजे हुए टोकरी भेज करेंगी, जिसे बोलने कहा जाता है। फ्रेम और शीशे से जड़ित ये टोकरी है।
Cutting across to Aishwarya now, who joins us live. Aishwarya, a slew of projects to be introduced and inaugurated by the Prime Minister on his birthday. Just take us through some key projects and what they mean for the state and the country.
Well, absolutely. On his 75th birthday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Dhar and he is launching several initiatives, and also particularly, these projects are related to women empowerment and to give direct benefits to the women. As far as Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana, Prime Minister will be directly transferring funds into their account with a single click, and nearly 10 lakh women in the country will get benefit out of it. We've been also told that Prime Minister will launch Suman Sakhi chatbot to raise awareness on the mental health and child health as well. The chatbot will be providing the details to all those women as far as the pregnant women in rural areas of the country is concerned, and that will also give an access to the health services for at least 10 lakh women in the country, and that will be certainly initiative that Prime Minister's brainchild was to ensure that health services reach in the rural areas. And also a very important project as far as Adi Karmayogi Abhiyan, Prime Minister will be launching Adi Seva Parv from the Madhya Pradesh Dhar, which will symbolize the confluence of tribal pride as well. Apart from it, in line with the 5F vision, from farm to fiber, fiber to fashion, factory to fashion, and fashion to foreign, Prime Minister will inaugurate PM Mitra Park in Dhar as well, that is spread over 2,150 acres of land, and that will provide the employment opportunities for at least 3 lakh women, and textile companies have already reached out to the Madhya Pradesh government. The investments have been tuned to approximately 2,140 crore rupees, and certainly these textile companies will directly give benefit to the women out there in Madhya Pradesh. And also apart from it, a very important and something that Prime Minister has always spoken up as far as the environment conservation is concerned, it will be women economic empowerment. Prime Minister will be gifting a sapling to beneficiaries of women self-help group under the Ek Bagia Maa Ke Naam initiative as well, and at least 10,000 women in Madhya Pradesh will develop Maa Ki Bagia women's group, are also being provided with all necessary resources by the Madhya Pradesh government. And these are all projects which are in tune with the central government schemes in collaboration with the state government, that is the Bharatiya Janata Party led government. And the Chief Minister also yesterday had announced that a major initiatives had been announced, and it's a fortunate day for Madhya Pradesh that on his 75th birthday, Prime Minister is in Dhar and launching several initiatives specifically focusing on the women empowerment of the country, giving health services best possible, and reaching out to the tribals as well, to the rural areas of Madhya Pradesh. And certainly we have seen this happening in the past as well. Whenever there has been a birthday occasion of Prime Minister, he dedicates that particular day for women empowerment, focuses on Nari Shakti as the government's key focus has always been. So yes, Prime Minister has landed in Madhya Pradesh Dhar, and senior union ministers are also accompanying him, along with the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav. A big initiatives that will certainly be launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi today in Madhya Pradesh.
Him interacting with some of the women there on stage. Aishwarya, increasingly there has been a focus by the Prime Minister and the centre towards women in terms of health and safety.
Well, that's right. And, there are several such schemes which are directly focusing on maternal health, child fitness, and therefore the reason perhaps there is a chatbot which is a unique initiative in collaboration with the IT Ministry from the central government, that has developed an app through which at least 10 lakh of or plus women will be directly can take help of these health schemes that are under the central schemes, and they can directly use this app to get more details and they tried to reach out to the tribal women as well, as far as Prime Minister's Mitra program is concerned. But it is, of course, at different levels, nationwide. If we talk about, there are campaigns that has also been initiated under the Ayush Ministry. Blood donation drives are also going to be initiative, and that can be registered on Rakt Kosh portal, and there will be pledge campaigns that will be run through MyGov as well, and beneficiaries certainly can be enrolled through central government's PMJ Ayushman Vandana Yojana, the Abha Yojana, and there would be cards that would be distributed. This is an entire week-long campaign from 17th of September to 22nd of September is what we have been told. Different yoga sessions for women, mental health classes that will be given, and specifically to reach out to the rural areas as well. This campaign will also mobilize communities towards healthy lifestyle practices with a special emphasis on obesity preventions, improved nutrition and voluntary blood donations as well. And it will also citizens can also register under Nikshay Mitras on dedicated platforms in support to TB patients with nutrition counsel and care. So a major focus on health, specifically on women, is something that Prime Minister would be interacting. He is going to interact with several doctors out there, the women who had come, and it's a public meeting as well. So Prime Minister directly will be interacting to them, telling about these schemes that the central government has launched so that they can take benefit out of it. But as I mentioned, the major focus of central government and state government is to reach out to those women, specifically in tribal areas where health services has not yet reached at that level. So through these apps, through these portals, through these chat boxes, it is the central government in collaboration with the state government trying to reach out. A major health scheme, and lakhs and lakhs of women certainly can get benefit out of it. Prime Minister interacting there in Dhar with women who have reached out from the tribal areas of Madhya Pradesh as well.
करने की कृपा करें.
Yojanas as well. We're also going to talk about the PM Mitra Park. All right.